Hi guys, it's Tanya from 4Girls. I just want to share with you one more idea for today's video because I made these little pendants from the same piece that we did in today's video. And all you needed, you can check description for materials in the video before. So we have this piece. And how to make it, it's in a video before. So I just want to show you how I wrapped around and how I finish with the little swirl. This was too small a little bit, so the swirl is little. It's nice if you have a more wire and you can make it bigger swirl from both sides. And you can use any gems you like, small, large. This I think it will be the largest I use. Let's see how long is the weaving portion. The weaving portion is 1 3/4. So I will gently make a curve, and then where the half is, go through. Okay. Wrong way. It has to go first here. And you put your bead. You'll also cut this part. Then what we want to do is I use from the right side wire goes on top of the left side wire. You can use your pliers because wire is so thick. You can use your pliers for that. So and then same with the left side, with the other side. The right wire goes on top and the left behind. Now will be the part when you squish your wires and make it nice round shape. Since we're working with a very thick gauge, you can squish more round, less round, how you want it to be. I think I will leave a little bit sort of like, I like this shape from both sides. Now what we do, the wire that is on top, we secure behind the bail, the wire that we will make a bail from that. And you can also wrap more times if you wanted to. This is enough. And cut, secure. Same with the wire that goes on top here. You go around and you cut. So now you have this. Make sure you have around the same amount of wires. It doesn't have to be perfect. So these are 2 wires that goes from underneath. And I will make quick swirl. When I do half like this, I cut. So then you will have a nice shape. Same here. And continue. Use the other pliers. And now you can make a simple veil. Make a bend. I have my pliers marked. That's how big I want it to have. And I do 1, 2 twists. Right. So now you can push how you want them, tighten them, everything. And you have beautiful, very simple pendant. Use your liver of sulfur, polish to the extension how you want them to be. And some people like really simple jewelry. This could be very simple and easy. If you have that strip done, it takes like 5 minutes. Thank you guys for watching. See you next Tuesday.